Good day, Mom, Sir. I'm Lorely Bildinisa. I'm 35 years old. I have husband but not married. I have two kids. They is boys and 14 years old and 12 years old. My mother's name, I'm a high school graduate. My mother's name is Evangeline Bildinisa. My father is dead. I'm ex-abroad from Kuwait since 2015 to 2017 and also Saudi Arabia since 2017 and 2024. My need duty is take care of kids and take care of kids and doing house chores like ironing, cooking, cleaning, and wash the clothes. And also I do a car wash. Hi, Mom, Sir. I hope you select me and promise to you I will do my all responsibility and follow the rules. Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Sir.